Alaska 369, Nashville Tower, runway 13, line up away, traffic landing, runway 20 left.
13, line up away, Alaska.
Southwest 1045, turn right heading 275, runway 20 center, so it's takeoff.
Right turn 275, 20 center, clear for takeoff, Southwest 1045.
Alaska 369, turn right heading 260, runway 13, clear for takeoff.
Right turn 260, clear for takeoff, 13, Alaska 269.
And Nashville Tower, shuttle 6309, with you 20 right.
There, shuttle 6309, Nashville Tower, runway 20 right, clear to land, wind 1107, traffic departing, runway 13.
Eric, clear to land 20 right, shuttle 6309. Thank you.
American 2929, Nashville Tower, runway 20 left, clear to land.
20 left, clear land, American 2929.
Southwest 1045, contact departure.
Departure, Southwest 1045. Alaska,
Alaska 369, cancel takeoff clearance. Alaska 369, can you make the left turn there at Tango 4, or what are your intentions?
yeah, we can do left at Tango 4.
Alaska 369, left turn there and contact ground plane owner.
Ground plane owner.
Southwest 2029, Nashville Tower, fly heading 180, runway 20 center, clear for takeoff.
Takeoff heading runway 180, clear takeoff 20 center, Southwest 2029.